What's the date? The third last para, he refused to allow anything but reason to be the atmosphere. Put the date here. And from tomorrow onwards, let's switch on the cameras, everybody. Date written?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now what was the plan that the general, he just planned something to kill the prisoner. What was the plan? What was the general's plan? To kill the prisoner. Or to get the prisoner killed. What was it? Yes, what was it? Dheeraj Garg, what was the plan that was made by the general to kill the prisoner? Yes, Dheeraj Garg, hurry up. Do not know the answer? Go away then. Yes, Vikram.
Yes, ma'am.
What was the plan that was made by general and what plan does he share with Dr. Sadav to get the man killed? What was it?
Ma'am, I know
You did not attend the class.
ma'am class.
What happened? You were not there in the class.
Ma'am.
So you did not even go through the videos.
Yes, ma'am.
You did not even go through the videos. You did not watch the videos. चलिए रेस्ट करिए आप. Yes, Rena.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the plan is that he said that some people will come of his plan in his plan and kill the prisoner at the night. And
Some
he
people
opened the
who?
door.
Roadside people. Some
No,
people,
ma'am.
what,
His
roadside
partner,
people, they will come and they
killers.
will kill him. Huh? Yes,
Ma'am,
Rena.
his partners.
Whose partners?
Ma'am, the general partners.
Okay, is he doing some business with his partners that he is having partners with him? Is he doing some business?
No, ma'am.
Then he is the ruler of the country. He is doing some business there. Lakshay.
Ma'am, to send the assassins, his private assassins to
Assassins,
the
assassins. Very good. He
ma'am
planned to
to
send the assassins. Okay, who are the assassins?
ma'am killers.
Killers, professional murderers or killers. Okay, he will send them
Yes, ma'am.
and they will kill him. How will they kill him?
Ma'am, to go home of doctor's house and to kill the prisoners silently at night.
Silently means
Without any disturbance.
without any disturbance. Why? With a weapon. Which weapon? Sword, with a knife, with a gun, with a spade. What is it, Lakshay?
Ma'am, internal bleeding.
Yes, they will do the trick. They will play the trick of internal bleeding and the prisoner, he would be killed. Good. At least you answered. Okay, and moreover, they are also going to, they will also what? They will kill the person as well as they will
Ma'am, to to take the body out of
Yes,
the
very
doctor's
good.
house.
They will remove the body. Okay. Now come to the paragraph. See, so many students I have removed. Now, if you are not attentive, if you will not answer, I'm going to remove you. Every day I keep on thundering in the class that I don't want those students who are absent-minded. It's really disgusting, you know, you people don't even know where we completed yesterday and from where which para we have to continue. Very good result you are going to get in the boards. Good. He refused
Sorry,
to allow
ma'am.
anything but reason to be the atmosphere of his mind as he went into the room where the American was in bed. But as he opened the door, to his surprise, he found the young man out of bed and preparing to go into the garden. Now see, I'm going to, before this, I'll just read the above para so that we might have a link. He left the general's presence and then went home thinking over the plan. In this way, the whole thing would be taken out of his hands. Okay. Now he returned home. He was thinking about the plan that was being told by the general, and he was sure that now everything would be taken out of his hands and there wouldn't be any kind of fault for which he could be blamed. He would tell Hannah nothing, and he decided not to tell Hannah anything. Why? Because she would be afraid, she would panic at the idea of the assassins in the house, and yet certainly such persons were essential in an absolute state such as Japan was. And he thinks that if the general is having his own private assassins, there is no harm. Why in an absolute state? Okay, a ruler, he is supposed to have these assassins with him. Why? Because how else could rulers deal with those who oppose them? Why even they have to deal with those people who oppose them, who go against them. So how to deal with them? Okay, that is why they have their own private assassins. Now he refused to allow anything but reason to be the atmosphere of his mind as he went into the room where the American was in bed. But as he opened the door, to his surprise, he found the young man out of bed and preparing to go into the garden. Now he did not think of anything else. Okay, only this thing. Okay, fine. He would be killed and the body would be removed. And then he goes into the room of the American, and there he sees that American, he was sitting. Okay, not he was sitting, rather he was out of his bed and he was ready to go out, okay, into the garden. So as soon as Dr. Sadav, he sees that he has been operated, okay, and only a few days back, and he's not in the condition to move, but still he's ready to go into the garden. So he shouts at him, what is this? Who gave you permission to leave your room? To leave your room, Dr. Sadav, he says. I'm not used to waiting for permission, Tom said gaily. Gaily means happily. He says that it's not my habit, you know, I'm not used to, okay, to wait for permission, to get permission from anybody else. I feel pretty good again, but will the muscles on this side always feel stiff? And he says, I'm feeling well, and that was the reason he gives for going out into the garden. And then he complains something that the muscles, you know, he was having some muscular pain. So he complains it to the doctor. Is it so? Sadav inquires surprised. Now Sadav, he forgets everything as soon as the American, he complains. He forgot all else. Now I thought I had provided against that, he murmured. Means I had already provided against it. Okay, I had already treated it. And then he lifted the edge of the man's shirt and gazed at the healing scar. और उसने उसकी शर्ट उठाई और जो healing scar था ना उसको गेज करा, बोला massage में do it. If exercise does not, okay, this muscle pain, it would stop. Do it by massage. It won't bother me much, the young man said. His young face was gaunt. Gaunt means thin. Under the stubbly. Stubbly means you can write down dirty, untidy blonde beard. Say, doctor, I've got something I want to say to you. If I hadn't met a Jap like you, well, I wouldn't be alive today. I know that. The young man said, okay, fine, but that will not bother me too much. And then he says, hey, listen, doctor, I would like to tell you something. If I have not met a Jap like you, means a Japanese like you, then I wouldn't have been alive today. Okay, I wouldn't be alive today. Yani, मैं जीवित नहीं रहता. I would have been either dead or handed over to the police there. Due to their tortures, I would have died. है ना, यदि आपके जैसा Japanese नहीं मिलता. Sadao bowed means he bent a little in curtsy, but he could not speak. Sure, I know that, Tom went on warmly. His big thin hands gripping a chair were white at the knuckles. Okay. और वो आगे, he just continued his talk. He says, sure, I know that. And he just kept his hand on the chair, okay, tried to hold the chair. And Dr. Sadao, he says that his hands, you know, they were white at knuckles. Knuckles, you got it? This is knuckles, okay? This, where the fingers, you know, they join. Okay, the joining of the fingers. That is the joint, okay, of the fingers here. They are knuckles. I guess if, sorry. Yeah, right. I guess if all the Japs were like you, there wouldn't have been a war. And he says, suppose if the Japanese had been like you, so kind-hearted, okay, and so friendly and all, then there wouldn't have been any kind of war. Perhaps, ho sakta hai, Sadao said with difficulty, and now I think you had better go back to bed. Now see, Dr. Sadao was not at all interested in talking to this man, okay? And he says, okay, fine, but now you better go to bed. He held the boy back into bed and then bowed good night, he said, okay? And he left. Sadao slept badly that night. Now that night he could not sleep. He couldn't have a sound sleep. Time and time again he woke thinking he heard the rustling of footsteps, the sound of twig broken or a stone displaced in the garden, a noise such as man might make who carried a burden. Now Sadao, you know, he was not having a sound sleep. Why? Again, every now and then, you know, he heard the rustling of footsteps as if somebody is moving, somebody is coming. Okay. Then he listens to a twig broken. Okay. What is a twig? A very thin branch. Ek टहनी होती है. Okay. Yeah, some stone has been displaced in the garden. A stone has been put from one place to another. उसको ऐसी feeling आ रही थी कि ये आवाजें आ रही हैं. Means the assassins, they have entered and they are doing all these things. The next morning he made the excuse to go first into the guest room, and next morning, you know, he was very excited, so he just made some excuse, कोई बहाना लगाया उसने, to go into the American's room. If the American were gone, then he then could simply tell Hannah that so the general had directed, and he thinks कि यदि American, okay, he might have gone, he might have been killed and the body might have been removed, then surely he is going to tell Hannah that general, you know, he made all the planning and according to his plan that was implemented, the man had been killed and the body has been removed. But when he opened the door, he saw at once that there on the pillow was shaggy blonde hair. Okay, again, but when he opens, you know, opposite to his thoughts, the man was there. He was lying on the bed. He could hear the peaceful breathing of sleep. Okay, nice breathing, you know, a very sound sleep the man was enjoying. So he closed the door again. He's asleep, he told Hannah. He's almost well to sleep like that. Okay, और Hannah को कहता है, of course he's sleeping and he sleeps like that. What shall we do with him? Hannah whisper करती है in refrain. Okay, complain करती है कि भाई अब क्या करा जाए. Sadao shook his head. I must decide in a day or two, he promised. Okay, in a day or two it would be decided. Why? Because he was sure that in a day or two he would be killed, as General had said. But suddenly he thought the second night must be the night. There rose a wind that night, and he listened to the sounds of bending boughs. Boughs are the branches and whistling partitions. Okay. So Dr. Sadao, he thinks now the second night, you know, surely today the assassins will come. And he listened. So the, you know, the wind, it was blowing fast and he could listen to the doors or the windows, you know. They were moving, they were whistling. Okay. Whistling means they were making the sound due to the wind, fast wind that was blowing, and the branches, you know, even they were bending. Hannah woke to, ought we not go and close the sick man's partition? And Hannah, you know, she woke up while the wind, it was blowing fast. So कहती, we should go and close the sick man's doors and windows, whatever. No, Sadao said, he's able now to do it for himself. Sadao stops him. Why? Because Sadao was afraid that in case if assassins come and Hana might see it, then she would panic. Okay? तो कहते हैं कि वो कहता है डॉक्टर सदाव कि now he is able to do it on his own. Okay, he is fine, he can do it on his own. But the next morning the American was still there. लेकिन next morning American वहीं पर था. Third night of course must be the night he thinks कि हो सकता है third night. Okay. The wind changed to quiet rain and the garden was full of sound of dripping eaves and running springs. Now the third night, the rain had started, garden, it was full of water, the dripping eaves, from the edges of the roof and all the water, it was coming down and the springs were running. Pani beh raha tha, Sadao slept a little better. And today he had somewhat sleep he enjoyed, but he woke better than other 2 nights. Okay, he slept, but he woke at the sound of a crash. Crash means as if something is broken. उसकी आवाज पे वो उठता है and leaped to his feet. Okay, jump कर जाता है. What was that? Hana cried. The baby woke at a voice and began to wail. I must go and see. Hana जोर से चीखती. What was it? आवाज सुन के जो baby boy होता है उठ जाता है and he starts crying. Hana says, I must go and see. What is it? But he held her and would not let her move. Okay. लेकिन Dr. Sadao, he stopped her. उसका हाथ पकड़ लिया and he would not let her move. हना को move नहीं करने दिया. Why? उसको लगा surely assassins must be there. Okay, हना देखकर घबरा जाएगी. Sadao, she cried, what is the matter with you now? Even she was surprised. She was wondering what is happening to Dr. Sadao. कि क्या बात है? Don't go, he muttered. Don't go. Okay, his terror infected her. वो समझ गई कि he is terrified. So she stopped. And she stood breathless, waiting. Now only silence was there, and after some time they crept back into the bed, the baby between them. They both went to sleep. Yet when he opened the door of the guest room in the morning, the third night was over, okay? There was the young man. After third night ko bhi, he was not killed. The young man, he was there. He was very gay, means he was very happy and had already washed and was now on his feet. He had cleaned himself when he was standing. He had asked for a razor yesterday and shaved himself, and today there was a faint color in his cheeks. Okay. Yesterday he took a razor, cleaned his beard, so somewhat his face was shining. I'm well, he said joyously. He was very happy and he says, okay, I'm fine. Sadao drew his kimono round his weary. Weary means tired body. Why he was tired? For the last 3 nights he did not enjoy a sound sleep. He could not, he decided suddenly to go through another night. Okay, and suddenly he decided that no more tensions he could tolerate. He could not remain awake and be in tension in any other night. Okay, किसी और रात को वो tension नहीं ले सकता, जाग नहीं सकता है. So he decides something. It was not that he cared for this young man's life. No, simply it was not worth the strain. ऐसा नहीं था कि he cared for this young man's life, इसलिए उसने कोई decision लिया. बल्कि इसलिए that he cannot continue with any kind of tension anymore. He cannot carry on this tension, this strain, okay, of this prisoner living in his house. You are well, Sadao agreed. He lowered his voice. Now see, listen to the plan that Sadao had made suddenly. You are so well that I think if I put my boat on the shore tonight with food and extra clothing in it, you might be able to row to that little island not far from the coast. Now he says to the American prisoner that you are well. You are so well that now you can go all alone. And he says that tonight, suppose, if I put my boat on the shore on the sea coast, and I'm going to put food and water, everything in it, then you better row to the rowing, you got it, taking the boat, okay, to the island that is not far from the coast, okay. उस island पर लेकर जाना जो इस coast से दूर नहीं है. It is so near the coast that it has not been worth fortifying. Okay, it has not been fortified by the government. Why? Because it is very close to the coast. वो island इतना पास है कि उस पे कोई किलेबंदी वगैरह नहीं करी हुई है government ने. क्योंकि कोस्ट के बहुत पास है, एक रीजन। दूसरा रीजन क्या है, nobody lives on it, कोई भी नहीं रहता, तो उसको फोर्टिफाई करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, कोई किलेबंदी करने की जरूरत नहीं है, कोई मिलिट्री आर्मी की जरूरत नहीं है वहाँ। Because in storm it is submerged, it gets drowned, it gets sink into the water, okay? और वो कहता है कि वो जो आइलैंड है वो सिंक हो जाता है वाटर में during the sea storm, इसलिए nobody lives there, कोई भी नहीं रहता, so you better take my boat to that island. But this is not the season of storm, और उसको कहता है you don't need to worry, ये storm का season नहीं है, okay? कोई sea storms नहीं आएंगे. You could live there until you saw a Korean fishing boat pass by, okay? Just live on that island until you see a Korean fishing boat that passes near the island. उस island के पास से Korean fishing boats निकलती हैं. They pass quite near the island, okay? They pass just near the island. Why? Because the water there is many fathoms deep, okay? Fathom होता है sea measurement. तो बहुत deep है, तो easily they get the fish and everything from there. So they just pass by that island, near that island, okay? The young man stared at him, slowly comprehending. Do I have to? He asked. क्या वास्तव में मुझे जाना पड़ेगा? Do I have to really go? I think so, सदाव कहता है उसको. You understand, it is not hidden that you are here. तुम समझने की कोशिश करो, it is not hidden from anybody that you are here. You are living in my house. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Enough for today?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. God